We on? Okay, cool. All right, so this is Annalise here. This is a really interesting case. Now, we're dealing with early brain defect, genetic defect disorder, and scoliosis, obviously. But interesting thing, her mom noticed that she started developing a hunch or an abnormality or a curve in the spine around 5 to 7 years old. And the orthopedic and the chiropractor at that time said, well, just watch and wait. And then she had a tremendous growth spurt, and everything within the span of a year or two went really scoliotic. So also we're dealing with a hip dysplasia as well. So a lot going on with Annalise here. We're going to share her case with you. So now this is her. Hello, sweetheart. All right, let's go face down right here. Perfect. All right, hands like that. She's doing really good. She was very reluctant to get on the table at first, but now she's really comfortable, just jumps on the table pretty much. So with Annalise and scoliosis, we're doing traction on the spine. And we're always looking at her x-rays. And we're going to be bending into the convexity, into the curve to help realign and adjust the spine here. All right. She gets all excited during this too. Come on, Annalise. She always shows off her hair and her beautiful outfit. Okay. And I can feel for the muscles changing in tone. And that's when the adjustment occurs, when the brain is communicating to the spine and the body better. The muscles balance out and change in tone. You're doing such a good job. Perfect. Yeah. We're going to do some vibration on the inside portion. Now, obviously, she has a lot of growing up and development to be had and to do. So getting adjusted during childhood is going to really help optimize that development and obviously the spinal curves. If this didn't get addressed, it could possibly get worse and worse. So that's what we're preventing from getting worse. We're also addressing the cause. Getting to the spinal misalignments and the subluxations and fixing those as the root cause of the scoliosis so we can ensure good brain development and posture. Almost done, sweetie. There you go. Good job. Good job. Wish we could have done that. I know. Video a long time ago. See how much progress you've had. Okay. Showing on the right. Checking the upper neck. So now she's good. Okay, let's have you this side up, sweetie. Let's lay on your side. Right there. All right, let's come up. Let's lay on your side.
On your side.
On your side. On your side. Head right here. Head right there. Good job. Perfect. Okay. So we just took a new set of x-rays on Annalise. Saw that we had several degrees improvement in her misalignment and her curves. Other side, sweetie. All the way over. There we are. Good job. Beautiful. Now, let's scoot down a little bit. I know. Okay, so on the thoracic, we're not bending or twisting. I'm just going to drop almost on the ribs with a broad contact like that. And that's how we're able to get the correction in the thoracic middle back subluxations and scoliosis. There. You're doing so good. Beautiful. Let's have you on your back. Those muscles change. That's ideal. Alright, so you can come over here. We adjust the neck. She has a reverse curve in the neck also. One more. There we go. Beautiful, sweetie. Good job. We also adjust the plates of the skull. These are feeling much better. Huh. We're almost done. This is your favorite, huh? Give yourself a big hug. Come on. Right, left. Right.
No, there's another one. Yeah.
I know. Is that funny? Good. Last one. Head down. Head down.
Yeah.
Good job. All right. Now our routine is to do some vibration on the feet, just like this. This is stimulating to the brain. We're causing that neuroplasticity, that rewiring of the brain. When we get sensation from the feet all the way up to the brain. And her arches are actually, this one's looking a lot better. We're adjusting with the activator the arches of the foot to help support the arches and get better biomechanics of the foot. Yes, so now exercises like this. Let's lay on your back, sweetie, one more time. One more time. Exercises like this can help stimulate both sides of the brain. This is called cross crawl. Yeah, this really causes a calming effect. One more thing, sweetie. And then the hip dysplasia on the right. What we're doing is distracting the hip and allowing that socket to get in better position for optimal development. Good job. You're doing really good. Really good. Perfect. All right. Can you say hi to the camera? All right. Good job.